dog, boy. Another morning heading to work. Ooh, look at the sun over there, so man. Beautiful. So the train is coming. So I'm heading to work. Let's see it over there. So them call this a what, a freight train? Freight or freight? Correct me in the comment section. Long. So I'm assuming this is going straight to Brisbane. Maybe coming from Sydney way. Sure know it long. I think this is the end of it. Still a go. With your ticket not done yet. Oh, there we go. I am a Jamaican living in Australia. Yes, man. So, in today's video, my people, let me show you what I have in front of me. Take a look at this. And the first one is a good old, what you call it, insect pest gun. So basically, you know, for all the plants and stuff like that, to get rid of all the insects and, you know, everything that's eating the leaves and all of the plants. So this is gonna be really good. Trying out this one, insect pest gun, and these are all the insects that it will get rid of, as you can see. So I'm gonna be trying this out. You know what I mean? As you know, some of even the callaloo, caterpillars and all that are already messing with them and things like that. So, you know, this is perfect. And the second thing I have here is called sea salt. So the seaweed solution. So it's actually from seaweed and I think sea salt, a bunch of other things that helps to make this up. You know what I mean? And it's believe it's all purpose. So it's basically, it enhances root growth and is ideal for planting. It stimulates the plants and fruiting, you know what I mean? And it also helps plants with pest and heat frost, you know what I mean? So it's good for a lot of things. So definitely we'll be trying this out this evening when the sun going down, you know what I mean? So yeah, my people, I never used to use these things, but you know, more and more you know, learn, and I'm just trying out things that will help, you know. And for everyone that's not familiar with Australia, it's actually summer in Australia. I mean, starting from December 1st starts summer, so you know what I mean, which is very weird. I find it very weird, you know what I mean, coming from where I come from and things like that. And for example, people in the US or Canada and places like that would be like summer starts in December. That would be very weird for them. So yeah, it's been some really hot days, honestly, you know what I mean. So we have a little blow-up pool that we use, mainly island use it as well, thing like that. So yeah, man, you're prepared for the weather. It's a beautiful day though. Look at the sky. This is what it looks like, you know, pretty much a dark color. And according to reviews, this thing is very stink, but very good. So take a look at these, my people. Some turmeric. Just washing them because about to use them right about now. I just got these from the garden. I'm gonna show you guys the plant that I have. Like I have more than one. Yeah, man. So turmeric, fresh. So that's turmeric right there. Yeah, man. There's plenty there, and I have some over here as well that I planted out. So eating from my garden, you know what I mean? So that's all the yam from what I planted out last time. And you guys said it's too small. And you know, I'm gonna be taking out some very soon actually, because I have this another piece of drum that I'll be using. And yeah, and you guys want to see something else? At this point I have too much yam because I still have yam under here. Let me just show you. Can you guys see that? That's yam right there that I got from the Gold Coast. This is separate from those ones that's growing. These ones I got them in the Gold Coast. The other ones were from Brisbane. You know what I mean? Here's more. Yeah. Yeah, man, so right now I have countless of yam. This is my callaloo. I'll show you guys. This is my callaloo right here, the green one. I water them kinda bent. Another one here. Another one through here. I know this is not ideal. They're all in between the soil. I just planted them there because I was running out of option. Look, this is the red callaloo. So what I'll be doing, I'm gonna be mixing both of them and trying them together. I've tried them separate before. I mean, obviously I grew up on the green one and the red one. Tastes very similar, if not the same in a sense. You know what I mean? So yeah, a bunch of tomato here. So these are not the small tomatoes. These are the bigger tomatoes. Yeah, so they already start blossom. Just blossom pushing out. Thing like that. Have some dwarf bean here. I have some other one here as well, which are a different color. These ones, I believe they're the straight green one. Yeah. So this is just a little section of the garden I put together. So I just put a bunch of things together in here. You know what I mean? Even okra already showing out young ones. You have the corn. You have fever grass there, which is lemongrass. So a bunch of things here. This is cucumber. See, it's looking lovely. Running up on here. Plenty. See all the blossoms and young ones. Focus camera. Yeah, there's plenty in between coming up. So we have a bunch of cucumber there. And lemon. So this is my wife's lemon tree. As you can see, it's fully loaded. Not a lot of ripe one at the moment, but yeah, loaded. This one even changing color. I trimmed it up recently so it doesn't grow too tall. Now it's just springing back all the fresh ones going up. We remember this section that I did a big clean out on and planted the corn. Well, as you all know, I've been struggling with a lot of rain, and that's the result of everything pretty much. The corns didn't come to maturity. They push out corn, but to be honest, they're not good. Yeah, so I just kind of abandoned this spot. But what I'll be doing, I think for next season, as I said, every season I learn something different. I think I'm gonna be creating like a fully raised bed. Like I'm gonna get some boards and you know dig some hole and just create like some little boxes and things like that and fill them up with dirt and what you call it, like some gravel and all of that. So as you can see, let me show you anyway. These are corn, which this one was the most what you call it, healthy tree out of all of them, but still they're not that good. There's too much rain, they just becomes a swamp pretty much. but you can see there's corn in here, which nothing is wrong with it. There's corn in here. You can see it's good. It's good for cooking anyway. So I'll probably take that one. And I guess whatever else is there, but yeah, that's the only. And you realize it's just one day produce, literally one. Oh, now to think of it. Now to actually think of it, it's only one corner on each tree. That's weird. Yeah, literally one corner on each tree. What the hell? But yeah, man. This is where I had the yam. This is where I had the yam first, and I had to dig up the yam from here because when I realized it was just swamp, literally swamp. So and as I take out the yam and put it in the pots, the yam start flourishing like never before. So definitely, just the spots sometimes need a change, you know. But I'm gonna improve it. Trust me on that. I can't do it now because we're already in summer. By the time if I should start this, and then yeah, next thing it's winter, so I'm gonna go to push it. So I'm gonna prepare myself better next time. Yeah, this will look. And so that's the corn inside there. I'm good for boiling. Yeah, can work with it. Alright, so I dig out the yam from the pot, and these are the two yam head that I bought from Gold Coast. These are from Brisbane. These are actually bigger because I got like real food off of these two. I'm gonna put one of the head in this, and I have another one of these which I'm gonna be doing the same thing. I just need to get some more dirt. I see that some of you mentioned in the comments before about getting some dirt. I tried that already. I already checked. My wife told me about a place, and apparently they're shut down. They're no longer selling dirt or even open at all, to be honest. So, you know what I mean? What I'll be doing though is planting one in here and fill up this other container. You know what I mean? As soon as I get some dirt or some compost, you know, whichever, and we're gonna work with that. So I'll put one in here, and then yeah, see what I go on. These are the two yam planted out. Now you guys said if I use only one yam in one of these, I'll have more, but you know what I mean? But that's a work that I have, you know, whatever I get, I appreciate. You know what I mean? So as I said though, I'm slowly extending, so we'll be using one more of those and you know, make it happen. So this will take me a little time. As I said, I can't even get dirt around this area to buy. And this is Australia. Well, I shouldn't say Australia, but this is where I'm living. You know what I mean? I can't just go over people's property and just go dig up some dirt. Because all around me is just people's property and them thing there. So, yeah. It's what it is. And we'll make whatever we can out of it happen. Yeah, man. So, I'll get the stick them sort out soon still. And so them can start running. Now take a look at this. This is the yam that I'm supposed to use for cooking. And once you realize it started growing already. You know, so as you can see, I made a cut there, which was the head I cut off. And look at this, like, if we're on it, punching up little vines. Let me know, should I plant it? Should I eat it? It's the last piece. Even though I have plenty of yam outside right now. I can't believe this. But this just brings joy to me right about now to know some actually have yam. Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to your Island Boy Africa channel. So as you can see what I have right here, some sticks. And what I'll be doing with these sticks is creating something for the yam. You can see all the yam here, right here, and I have one more container here which I'm gonna fill out and be spacing out all these yam. But for now, I'll be using the sticks, and yesterday I just jammed that stick there. So basically I'll be creating something for all the vines to run on, and so I'll be putting the sticks up in the air to stand like slant, like basically maybe I'll put like 3 sticks together so the yams can run on. So that's what's up for the morning. I already cut these sticks, and I'm just gonna be doing that and tie them up. Yeah man, so it's a brand new day my people. Let's go now and roll. Gonna start jamming the sticks into the ground. This is gonna be the first one in. Like so. This one over here. So I'm gonna have like 3 sticks bracing. Right, that's 2 of them. I think because I only have 4 long stick at the moment, I'm gonna do 2 for that one, 2 for this one. Yeah, I was gonna do originally 3 of them together, but I'm gonna work it that way. I think that's the best idea. Throw some down on the ground. Gonna get some string, as I have here. Get some string and tie these together. Sorry to use the gloves to tie anything, to be honest. I know a lot of people always say, wear your water boot, wear your gloves. It's just a bad habit of mine. Like I have a water boot, as you guys can see, and I hardly ever wear them. You know what I mean? I know it shouldn't be that. You know, safety comes first, but it's just a bad habit of mine. So, yeah. It doesn't have to be perfect as long as it's not falling down. Punching this. It's like a nail in the ground. And so much sturdy. That is it, my people. So 2 here. Then we're gonna put 2 right here. And more yam to come as well. So, and this right here, this is turmeric. Right there, my people. There we go. Dig a little hole. Well, as far as we can go. Place these in. This one is long. Alright. Put them between like that. I'm also thinking of an idea right here, people. What if I put them all together like this? You see that? Hey guys, you know what I'm saying? I think this would actually make sense. Since they're at the same spot, I think this actually makes sense, my people. Let's try this. I didn't originally plan this, but I think that's gonna be my idea. I mean, it is my idea. What am I saying? So all sticks combined together. That's gonna be a thing. Yeah, so I just have to get these firm in the ground. I don't have much stone, so I can just fill this up with, just use the dirt. Add the additional pieces like this. I don't have much stick, it's just one tree. I cut these off and I don't have any more tall ones there. So these have to work with. Remember that I don't live in a place where I can just go cut some sticks any and anywhere. And them things, so just have to make our way of work. So around these parts are pure farmland. Not much wasteland, so you can go cut down trees. You gotta go cut down trees and you get in a big trouble here, so I'm not gonna do that. Come on, so that is it, my people. Yeah, man, huh? Yeah, man. Jamaican in foreign, you know? Make it work the way we have. Yeah, man. This bring me closer to Jamaica, you know? Being so far away. Yeah, man, the food bring me closer back to yard. My connection to yard, this, you know? Having all of these things. Nearest piece too, it's quite long, which can go there. Yeah, man. So the last long one that I have, so I can put this here. Just switching up under here. Now let me show you all something else. Take a look at it. That's more yam again. I would assume this was from the yam skin, because I threw some skin out here. And yeah, look at that. Yam just growing like wild. Remember why I needed yam so badly now? I have so much, you know, but I give thanks. So this is all the branches that left over. So normally what I do with these, take all of these and I put them in this drum. And when they're dry, I light them. So that's what I normally do. Normally burn them and I use the ashes on the plants. When you cut the yard, you use the grass. All of that go in here. And also it's summer in Australia, so you know the wildfire thing goes, so you have to control your fire, you know, so burning it in the drum is the best idea, especially in the morning or late evening. Like now there's like still night dew on the grass, so best time to light a fire. But you know everything, you know, I gotta have a wildfire around the place because Australia is known for that. Tying up my tomato. See, they have blossom, you know. This is the big tomato. Alright. Getting really tall now. Can't wait to see them push out tomato. Honestly, so much things I'm looking forward to. Exciting. This is not the first time I've seen this. Can you see that? That's a worm, right? So I question this because, you know, worm's supposed to be under the ground, but why is it that a worm, every now and then you see a worm on the surface? It's not the first time I've seen this. You know, like, what does a worm come up on the surface for? I don't know, but if you know, let me know in the comments. Just an observation I notice all the time. Seems like it's making its way down. Bring them close together. Okay, so these are some bamboo that I bought from the shop. I think it's like 15 of them. Paid like $7 for them. Crazy, eh? Because in Jamaica I would never have to buy these things. I'm telling you, foreign is a whole different place. Things you'd never expect to buy at Jamaica. You come here and you have to pay for that. And I have pumpkin growing over here, which I didn't even plant them like intentionally. I just throw like papa and pumpkin and tomato and all of these stuff over here as well. And yeah, we have pumpkin growing. The leaves actually look really good. So let's see what will become of them. As you all see as well here, that's just tomato just growing right at the banana root. I didn't even plant these like intentionally, as I said. Look at that, just growing wild. Yeah, man. And so these are the bamboo sticks. I'm gonna place them next to these tomatoes. Hi, Bubba. Island's awake. Yeah? I'm at the back. I'm coming. Good morning. How are you?
Good.
Sleep good? Alright people, so I'm gonna be cutting this cane. As you can see, it's like, I think it's overgrown, even growing other shoots here. So hopefully it's not spongy, as we would say in Jamaica. I'll cut that one here. So that's it. Nice one. Evening settings. Look on what? So update on the yam people. This is now my third container or yamil. So basically I done those two from previous video, and now this one here is the last one. This basically covers all the yam that I have here. You know what I mean? I spaced them out, so I have like 2 in here, and I have like I think 3 in there and 2 in here. So I know you guys said space them out, and I did as best as I could really. So this is how it's gonna be set and spread out, you know what I mean? So tell me what you guys think in the comments. Yeah man, I'm filming this video unboxing there. So yeah my people, and as you can see, this is what I've done with them. So I put these sticks to lead them to the main stick, so they will go up, you know what I mean? And that's what they're gonna be. Nice. Alright, so I just dig out this hole and put some of my broken down compass in there. So let me show you what I'll be doing. So you see this cane right here? I planted this in recent times, and it's actually not, I can tell that it's not happy with this spot. You know what I mean? It's actually different from this cane. It's a different type. I've got this in the Gold Coast, I think. Yeah, I think it's like a brownish color one. This one is like the black cane. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna be moving it and putting it in that hole that I just showed you guys. I really want it to survive. It's reached this far already from I planted it, but it's just not happy right here. Lift him out. Yeah man, so right here I'm gonna put it. Get some more. That is it right there, so hopefully should start seeing some improvement. Yeah man. And this is the last piece of the plastic drum, and I decided to plant a papaya tree. You know, if you guys remember from last season when my papaya tree, you know, didn't make it, well, it bear like the first 2 fruit, and then the tree died because it was actually over there in the flood water, and yeah, it just didn't survive it. So plant this one here, and this little spot, my people, is like a little bump on the ground, and the difference with here and versus over there that I was planting everything is here, because it's a little bump, basically the water don't flood this part. So I decided to just pile up a bunch of different stuff here, and that's why you see everything bungle up here. And trust me, they're looking much better versus over there that everything was just like just struggling, to be honest. And as you can see, I have corn, I have beans, okra, bunch of tomato in between there coming. So this spot actually works. You can see the difference, you know. So I'm just, you know, I'm figuring out things and making it happen, you know what I mean? So yeah man, that's my papaya tree, and let's hope for the best. There's plenty more sucker anyway if this one don't survive. So what else I make it happen the same way. So much respect.